Hello, it's Soap Peasant here, and I am coming out here in the cold. Probably shouldn't even be out here, but I'm coming out here to tell you about what happened in Houston about 4:25 nearest I can tell. I got up about 4:15 this morning, and I went in my garage and I sat down, and the door was down, and I heard, before I felt it, I heard this sound zooming. It sounded like towards the house, and as I heard this sound, then this concussive bang rattle happened of the garage door, and the whole garage door just sucked in towards me. That's what it felt like, and it was a concussive feeling, and it scared me to death. And so I immediately ran inside, looked out the window, because I thought, because I'm at the end of a T on a street, I thought that maybe somebody ran the stop sign and ran into the vehicles and pushed the vehicles into the garage, or pushed them up to the garage. That's what I thought at first. But then I didn't see anything, and forgive the noise, I got helicopters going over and everything, and so I ran upstairs and I checked on the boys and made sure that our heater didn't blow up, something like that, and then I tried to find out something on the computer, and I couldn't find anything, and so I thought, what in the world was that? I'm going to try to show you. And what they said was it was an explosion in Houston. And I'll tell you, I looked up the address they gave for the explosion, and we are 19.5 miles away. That's a long, long ways to feel it so strongly. It woke one of my sons up, and so it was that strong. So let me see if I can take you around to the garage door and show you, because it looks like it buckled. You know, you can hit an empty Coke can with a Nerf dart and dent it, but it won't hurt your vehicle. And so I checked the vehicles. They seem to be all right, although they're kind of frosty still right now. But the garage door looks buckled. And so, for what it's worth, let's take a look. We'll try not to mess this up. Normally heavily edited stuff here. Let's see. Oh, let's see if you can tell. She's not like she used to be, I can tell you that. It's probably easier to see from an angle, maybe. But I can tell that it's like this. It's like this now. And I just thought, what in the world was that? And like I said, there's helicopters going over. The sun is still, you know, not fully up, but they don't know exactly what it is, and so I'm still waiting to find out. And back over here, and so it's really hazy. I'm hoping it's because it's cold and it's not dangerous to be out here. It's probably not smart, but they've been accused of that. So anyway, they said that it was some kind of plant explosion that's over in the Spring Branch area. But gee whiz, I don't know what kind of plant would blow up that you'd feel 19 plus miles away. They say in Fulshire, which is even about 7 to 9 miles further west than I am from it, that they felt it out there. So still trying to find out exactly what it was that blew up, and they've got a zone blocked off, and they're trying to find out what it was, if there's anything in the air. The winds are calm right now, and so everything's, they say, staying right where it is locally at the explosion. But they've got drones going over, the fire department does, checking to see if there's going to be any more explosions. So I'm going to go back inside just in case. But I wanted to let you know that that explosion was felt all the way to the soap peasant's house, 19.5 miles away.